artificial intelligence is the buzzword right now. So it's there all the time in the news, and you probably must be thinking, what is AI or artificial intelligence, and how is it like related to our life, our day-to-day life, and why is it so important? When we think about the artificial intelligence, the first thing which comes into our mind is a human like a structure or a robot which can do complicated things or clever things. But AI is actually more than that. AI is a area of computer science which makes machine learn new things and do intelligent things, that is, learn from the environment, solve problems similar to what a normal human being or a normal animal does. So in AI, an intelligent agent takes knowledge or the information from the environment and make appropriate decisions, take actions in order to achieve the goal. And that action can be autonomously done. And then AI can improve its performance based on the data that it receives or processes. And every time when it processes the same data or similar actions, the speed or the performance and the accuracy increases. You may or may not be aware, but artificial intelligence has been there in our life since some time now. For an example, let's say iPhone Siri, and then Microsoft's Cortana, Alexa from Amazon, Google Assistant by Google. So all these AI related technology or AI related personal assistants, they take instructions from us and then do actions based on, or let's say they respond to our queries based on the artificial intelligence or the data that it processes behind the scene. And then online entertainment services like Spotify or Netflix, they all use artificial intelligence to recommend you more movies, or let's say songs based on your taste, or which songs you like or which songs you play very regularly. And based on that data, the artificial intelligence gives you more recommendations, like this kind of song you might like, or these kind of movies you might like, right? You must have seen that it regularly gets refreshed on your home screen of your mobile. And again, you must have seen on the Facebook, like you get a specific kind of let's say advertisement that you must have spoken about, or you must have searched over the Google, or let's say online, and then you get that specific kind of product every time you go to any kind of website. So these kind of suggestions or recommendations are done by the artificial intelligence with the help of data processing, or let's say huge data processing. And sometimes, let's say you are in Dubai, and then you like some particular kind of movies. What the Google does, or what the other platform does, it categorizes your choice based on your age, your gender, your location, and then similar products are recommended to someone who's having the similar age of yours, or let's say gender, and then gives a particular or targeted advertisement. I mean, it's amazing. Like, my wife was searching something over the Google, some product, and then by the time she reached back home, and whichever website she opens, and on every website, or even let's say on Facebook, the similar kind of ads was coming in. So I mean, this is a phase wherein you get bombarded with the advertisements based on taste. Last but not the least, AI has been in almost all the sectors like healthcare, agriculture, medicines, manufacturing, and then you have driverless cars, finance, and whatnot. So, like I said, AI has been there in our life since long, but we rarely knew that until this kind of news or social network came, and then we are getting informed or updated on the regular basis. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day. Drink plenty of water and eat healthy.